Hey, welcome to Tim's workshop. Hey, today I'm going to show you how to fix a broken wheel on a pressure washer. The weld broke on the mounting bracket for the wheel, and I'm going to get a welder and weld it on the right way, but I don't have a welder yet, so that'll be an upcoming video, you know, when I get the welder. I want to use the pressure washer, so I got to have the wheel back on, so I just drilled a couple holes and put in a couple self-tapping bolts, and now the wheel's back on. At least I can roll it around now and do my thing with my pressure washer. Alright, so you like the video, please subscribe, leave comments, hit the notification bell, and give me a like. Alright, thanks. The wheel fell off. The welds broke. Didn't even look like they did a very good job of welding it. So I'm going to get myself a welder. It has a C-clip. I pull that thing off, and I could weld this bracket on there. Got to drain the fuel before I do it, of course. And right now I just have it sitting up on a concrete block and a piece of wood.